Hello friends, welcome back to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. We are making the second video of the day today. If you have not watched our first video on engineering recruitment, you can watch the same from the description box. Link is available in the description box. By following the same, you can watch that video. So friends, coming back to this recruitment notification analysis, National Fertilizers Limited is going to recruit engineers in various engineering disciplines like civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, fire and safety engineering, electronics and communication engineering, etc. So at place of posting will be multiple cities all over India, and engineering degree holders are eligible to apply for those posts, and all those posts are permanent, that is regular posts. So friends, coming to the analysis of this recruitment notification. So before starting analysis, I would like to inform you all that here in Exams Made Easy you can get each and every engineering recruitment notifications every day. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any coming updates. So friends, as you can see here, the first post is for engineer in production discipline. So if you have done your BE, BTech or BSc engineering in chemical engineering, chemical technology from a recognized institution, or if you have done your AMI in chemical engineering, then you are eligible to apply for this post, and post qualification experience of only 1 year is required, and age limitation is 30 years as on 31st March 2020, and pay scale is from 40,000 to 1,40,000. Next post is manager in production discipline, and qualification is in chemical engineering, chemical technology or AMI, and 9 years post qualification experience is required. Age limitation is 45 years as on 31st March 2020, and 70,000 till 2 lakh would be paid. So now the next post is mechanical engineer. Total number of vacancies 9 for this post. Qualification is mechanical engineering degree or AMI degree in mechanical engineering. 1 years post qualification experience is required. Maximum age limitation is 30 years as on 31st March 2020, and pay scale is 40,000 till 1,40,000. Next post is also manager in mechanical engineering discipline. Total number of vacancies 6, but post qualification experience is required 9 years, and age limitation is 45 years. Pay scale is 70,000 till 2 lakh. Next, engineer in electrical engineering discipline. Total number of vacancies 3. For this post, electrical engineering from a recognized institution or AMI is required. 1 year's post qualification experience is required. 30 years is the limitation, and 40,000 till 1,40,000 would be paid. And next post is manager in electrical engineering. For manager, educational qualification is same as above, and experience of 9 years is required, and age limitation is 45 years. Pay scale from 70,000 till 2 lakh. Engineer in instrumentation engineering and electronics or AMI in electronics and communication engineering is required. 1 year experience, 30 years is age limitation. Pay scale is 40,000 till 1,40,000. Engineer civil engineering discipline, number of vacancies only 1. 60% marks is required in civil engineering discipline A or AMI in civil engineering. 1 year's post qualification experience together with 30 years age, and 40,000 till 1,40,000 salary would be paid. So engineer in fire and safety, number of vacancy only 1. In chemical engineering discipline or electrical engineering discipline, if you have done your BTech or AMI, so sorry friends, for this post AMI is not mentioned only. Total 1 number of vacancies there, and maximum age limitation is 30 years, and pay scale is 40,000 till 1,40,000. So upper age relaxation is permissible as per government norm, that is 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC, and 10 years for person with disabilities. So what is the procedure of application? We'll be discussing now here, or what is the method of selection of candidates. So friends, you have to apply offline at a particular address that I would like to show you here below. You have to address the letter to Chief Manager of National Fertilizer Limited, as you can see here, and you have to send the application form within 25th September 2020, and you have to superscribe above that application for the post of, you have to mention the post also. And friends, together with that you have to pay rupees 700 as demand draft, and various cities of India are there where they will recruit those engineers or managers, as you can see. ranging from Assam to friends Andaman, Nicobar, Lakshadweep. Each and every states are there as far as this recruitment notification is concerned. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification. If you have any question, please let us know by commenting below in the comment box. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day ahead.